Hello class 7. I have explained you three number system. Binary number system, decimal number system and octal number system. Now I am explaining you hexadecimal number system, conversion of binary number into hexadecimal, hexadecimal number into binary number, decimal number into hexadecimal number and hexadecimal number into decimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. In the hexadecimal number system, we use the digits from 0 to 15. But these digits are not available in the decimal number. Only 10 digits are present, that is from 0 to 9. In this system, the 10 to 15 are represented by alphabets A to F. The base of hexadecimal number is 16. Means here we are taking 16 digits. It will start from 0 till 15. 0 to 9 that representing decimal numbers, but after 9, 10 to 15 it will represent by the alphabets. 10 for A, 11 for B, 12 for C, 13 for D, 14 for E and 15 for F. This is the decimal number and this is the representation in hexadecimal number system. Now conversion of decimal number to a hexadecimal number. To convert decimal number into its equivalent hexadecimal number, use the same method to discussed earlier for binary and octal conversion, but with the base as 16. In octal we are taking base 8, in binary we are taking base 2, but here we are taking base of 16. So if base is 16, then we will divide this by 16. This is the number 2699. This is the decimal number because the base of this number is 10, so this is the decimal number. We have taken this number same way in octal and binary we are doing same way we will do. In octal we are divided the number by 8, in binary we are divided the number by 2, but in hexadecimal we will divide the number by 16. 2699 divided by 16, quotient will come 168, but the remainder will be 11. Then 16 divided 168, then quotient is 10 and remainder is 8. So remainder we will write here. Now we will divide this 10 by 16. No division will be possible, so that we will write this 10 is here, nothing is here. Now we will, I told you that hexadecimal will take 0 to 9 decimal number, but after 9, 10 it will start from in alphabet, so that 11 value will be B and 10 value will be A. So we will write from bottom to top. Now this is A, this is wrong, we will write A 8 B. I have written wrong here. A 8 B. This is A and 8, this is B. You will change it. This is A, this is 8 and this is B. I have written wrong here. You can change this also. Now this is the second number 58823. This will divide 16 by 16. 16, quotient 3679, remainder 7. Then we will divide this 3679 by 16, quotient 229 and remainder will be 12. Again we will divide it. This 229, remainder 5, quotient will be 14. We will write 16 also here. I have not written here. I forgot. So that this is 16. 16 cannot be divided 14 because same 14 will not be divided by 16. So that same number we will write here 14. Now we will change it 14, no decimal number, so that it represent by alphabet E. then this is 5, then this is 12 represented by alphabet. Then answer will be E5C7. E5C7 and base is 16 because this is the hexadecimal number. Now conversion of a hexadecimal number to a decimal number. To convert any number from hexadecimal to its equivalent decimal form, follow the same method as in the case of binary to decimal or from octal to decimal, but with the base as 16. First we will write, this is the number 7CE. First we will write the power, because in this we are taking base 16, so that we will write 16, 16, 16. There are 1, 2, 3, 3 numbers are here, so that we will write 16 ki power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2. If any column is here, then we will write 16 power 3. But no column because these are 3, so that we are taking 3 columns. Now this is the value. I told you earlier that any numbers power will, if power will be 0, then number will become 1. So that 16 become 1. 16 power 1 equivalent to 16. 16 multiply 16, it will become 256. Now hexadecimal number we will write. This is the E, this is C, and this is 7. Now E will be 14, C will be 192, and 7 we will multiply the number of these, na? Because the value of E will be 14 in alphabet. So that 14 multiply 1 become 14. Now C will be it will start from 10A, 11B and 12C. 12 multiply 16, it will become 192. Now 7 multiply by 256, it will become 1792. Then we will add all these numbers. This is the value, multiply hexadecimal. Now decimal number 1792 plus 192 plus 14. It will become 1998 and base will be 16 because we are changing. Base will become 16 not. Base will become 10. This is wrong. Base will be 10. By mistake I have written 16 here, so that it will be 10. Next example. This is ABC same. 16 is the base. Here I have also written wrong. This is 10. Okay. Same. First we will write power. After that we will write the value 1, 16, 256. Converting these value. Now we will write hexadecimal number. C the value 12. B the value 11. A the value 10. Then we will multiply the 12 multiply 1, 12. 11 multiply 16, 176. 256 multiply by 10, 2560. Then we will add all these all three numbers. 2560 plus 176 plus 12. Answer will be 2748. Base will be 10 because this is the decimal number. So that base will be 10. By mistake I have written 16. Now next, conversion of binary number to hexadecimal number. Binary number base will be 2. To convert any binary number to its equivalent hexadecimal form, first group the binary digit in 4 bits. In octal we are grouping the binary into 3 digits, but here we will make a group in 4 bits pattern from the right hand side. We will start from right hand side. Then you can add 0 to the left side to make the number of bits into group of 4. If there are 2 numbers, then you will give the you will write 20 from the left side. Convert each 4 bits pattern into decimal number. This is the number, and we will make the group from right side. 1 1 1 0. One group is there. Then 1 1 0 0. Second group Now only left 0, 1, 1. Only 3 numbers are here, so that we will add 0 from left side. 0, 1, 1, then this is 0. Now this is the binary number. Now we will write the values. 0, 111 value will be 7, equivalent hexadecimal. I will tell you in my next, and you will see that that in your books, page number 31. There is a table. This is the equivalent hexadecimal 7. This is 3, and this is the equivalent 6. So hexadecimal number will be 637. Base will be 16. 637 base will be 16. This is the binary number. When we convert this binary number into hexadecimal, it will become 637. Second example, make 1, 2, 3, 4 bits. Then after the 1, 2, 3, 4 bits. Now only two numbers left, so that it will in 4 bits we want to add 2 0 here, so that we will write 1 1 0 0 left side, from left side. Now in table, when you will see in table, this is the 1100 value, hexadecimal 12, means it is C, and 1011 11 means B, and 0011 3. So hexadecimal number is 3BC, and base is 16. This table you can see in your book also, page number 31. Here I have also made this table, hexadecimal digit. This is the 0, equivalent to 000, 4 bits. 1, this 2 till 15 I have written here. Now you will learn for this also. 0 equivalent to 40, 1 equivalent to 301, 2 equivalent to 0010, 3 equivalent to 0011, 4 equivalent to 0100, 5 equivalent to 0101, then 6 equivalent to 0110. 1 will come here, then 7 then 1 will add it also, 0111. Then 8, it will start from 1000. After that 9, 1001. Then 10, 1010. Now it will be replaced by 0. Then 11, 1011. 12, 00, 1100. 13, 1101. 14, 111, 0, and 15, 4 times 1. Now this is the example to change hexadecimal to binary number. In previous example I told you binary number to hexadecimal. Now this is the hexadecimal number to binary number. As we know that the hexadecimal number system uses 16 digits 0 to 15, so we can directly write the binary equivalent of each hexadecimal digit from 0 to 15 by using 4 bits. Suppose this is the number ABC, hexadecimal. This is the hexadecimal number ABC. C equivalent to 12, B equivalent to 11, A equivalent to 10, hexadecimal. Then we will write the binary equivalent from the table. 12, 1100, 11, 1011, 10 equivalent to 1010. Then this binary number we will write, we will not add it, we will write like this: 1010, 1011, 1100, and base will be 2, because this is the binary number. Same D9C, so that we will write D here, D equivalent to 13, 9 and 7. Then we will write the binary equivalent from the table: 13, 1101, 9, 1001, and 70, 111. Directly we will write here, and we will enclose the base will be 2, because this is the binary number. Now this chapter completed, and you will do your work which I will give in your homework assignment. Hope you all understood this chapter. Complete your work and submit me your work on time. In my next video, I will explain new chapter to you. Thank you.